We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
The Chilean traditional theater was started in 2000 by three couples who were driven by a passion for traditional opera and the urge to share this passion with others. Actually, Chilean traditional theater includes many other troupes. The Chilean Puppet Theater, Chilean 布偶剧团, and Chilean Hakka Theater, Chilean 客家剧团, also belong to them. In order for the younger generation to learn the Hakka language, the troupe would need things that will attract them. It does this by combining Taiwanese opera 歌仔戏 with Hakka mountain songs 客家山歌. Other than pure interest, they also feel a sense of responsibility towards preserving the Hakka culture. They know that in order to do so, they will need resources, continuous hard work, and new blood. Only with these can the work for the preservation of culture be successful. Hi everyone, welcome back to our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Alice, today I want to ask something that's just basic because, you know, numbers, it's very important. 其实数字一直都是很重要的。那我一直想问一个东西啊，因为国语里面啊，其实2这个数字，比如1、2、3、4、22、23都是讲2嘛，可是到200的时候变2啊，或者说2个人也是2啊。Is that the same in Hakka? Because in Chinese, when you say the number 2, it could be it could be 2. There's two ways of saying it. Is it the same in Hakka?
客家話從而係強用啊，從24、25、26、27都是說你
啊，那一樣嘛，
但是呢，200的時候呢，又變成200
啊，
就沒有人說200。
Okay, so it's the same thing.
200變成200了。
真的嗎？ Okay, 了解。So again, if it's just the number 2 or 20 something, it's ni28. 28. Okay, but if it's 200, it's 200. 所以如果是222是最難的222你。222對222你
看就冇空人哈，又有2、6又有2，
所以所有的2啊，这个在国语里面，比如說2個人也是一樣
2給你，
然後2點，然後2包。
2包
都是2嘛2 Okay, there you have it. So it follows the same rule as Mandarin. Hopefully you know now next time you go to a shop to buy something or tell people about numbers. That's it for our Hakka lesson of the day. Thank you for listening.
是冇太假。
俺自say張偉了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.